Hi, my name is Joel. I'm the pastor of a church in Ajax, Ontario, and we're a congregation of about 35 to 50 people, and I give Excel spreadsheets a 5 out of 5. So I've used Microsoft Excel forever. I was introduced to it as a teenager in high school, continued using it through college, and then it now applies to the work I do here in pastoring and leading a growing congregation. Microsoft Excel is so versatile, from organizing a team, um, running timesheets, um, organizing financial elements, budgeting. There's just so many ways to use Microsoft Excel. Like any good tool, it's never easy to use a tool right off the hop. So there's always a learning curve. But once you know that learning curve, you can apply what you've learned to almost any situation. So I wouldn't say that Microsoft Excel is necessarily easy to use, but no good tool is. My recommendation for anybody considering to use Microsoft Excel is don't get intimidated by formulas and all that. There's so many tools available to you online that can teach you how to use things, functions, and you don't have to know everything off the hop. You can learn as you go. So just get into it, use it, look up tutorials on YouTube, Google, and you'll find out how versatile you can make this form. And once you learn it, man, you can apply it to everything.